Imagine Air Jordans without MJ, or Goop without Gwyneth Paltrow. What's Mints Mobile without Ryan Reynolds? Big brands pay millions for celebrity endorsements because they work. The recognition, reputation, and respect of the spokesperson becomes inseparable from our perception of the company. Influential figures are also effective champions of social causes. Their authority can bring attention and legitimacy to issues that might otherwise be overlooked. When your brother-in-law talks about climate change, you're struggling to feign interest. But when you see Leonardo DiCaprio addressing the UN, dressed like this, you sit up and listen. So how can you leverage this for your cause? First, align with the right authority. Partnering with individuals or organizations that have established credibility can amplify your message. You don't need a spokesperson, you need a respected partner. Next, identify influential individuals in your field. Their endorsement can lend significant weight to your cause or project, and you're more likely to get their support by focusing on your shared passions rather than simply fangirling. But remember to be careful who you pick. Snoop Dogg's media stunt for Solo was creatively brilliant, but when it came out that he wasn't really quitting smoke, things fell apart. Make sure to leverage authority figures whose reputation and values match your organizations. Remember, it's not just about borrowing authority. It's about creating a mutually beneficial relationship that can drive meaningful change. The authority bias is evident in everything from physical strength and communication styles to strategic partnerships. Understanding and leveraging it is a powerful tool in leadership and influence. Use it wisely to inspire, motivate, and drive positive change.